My major passion is to see creators released into doing more of what they do best, which is that creative stuff. And so the lead magnet that I've created is the 7 mistakes that creatives make that distract them from growing their business. So this is the 7 mistakes that all new creatives make. And it's things like focusing on doing too many things or not finishing things or hoping that marketing, like Facebook marketing, organic posts will generate an audience. Now, I don't know if you know this, but only 10% of people will see any post you put on Facebook. So if you have an audience of 1,000 people, you're not going to generate a business from doing, organic posting on Facebook. You have to look at a more systematized approach, paid ads or connecting into a network or some other way of generating higher visibility about what you do. So there's a lot of things that people do, these 7 things that actually aren't growing people's business. And so you'll find you're spending a whole bunch of time that you don't enjoy because it's not your passion space on things that don't matter.
It's true. I have 39,000 followers right now at the point of filming this video. And it's true what he says about the amount of traffic you get from generating organic stuff. Like the amount of content that I've put out there to get that 39,000 following. I would not want to do it again, put it that way. So I love your approach, Nathan. Do you have any final words of wisdom or consolation for the amount of times that we've spent running off after shiny object syndrome and doing it wrong? What would you like to say in closing to our beautiful creatives who you're not broken, but your system is, and that's okay because a broken system can be fixed and you don't have to stay thinking that you're broken because you're not and neither's your craft. Nathan will fix it for you. Any final words, Nathan?
A great sum up. You're not broken, your system is. I'm going to borrow that one. If I could say anything to people, it's to find a buddy to do business with. And obviously, as a coach, I'd be happy to sit down with you and explore that and become a consultant and coach and trainer and encourager in your business. But if you're not ready for that yet, find somebody else who can be a cheerleader in your business, because business is a cycle. And sometimes you're going to do fantastically and other times you're going to struggle. And what you want is somebody who can remind you of your successes when you're feeling like a failure. And a business buddy is going to help you to do that. So I would encourage you, if you are a creative in business or you want to become a creative in business, find somebody else who is going to cheerlead with you and learn with you and support you and encourage you, so that in those moments of discouragement, you can be brought back to the stories of success and go, actually, what I do does matter. And what I do does actually make a difference in people's lives. And it's important. And I need to push through this resistance to get to the next success story.